Namaskaram foodies, welcome back to Simply Cooked by Prem. This Valentine's Day, let's express our love for family with a wholesome and colorful meal that's both delicious and nourishing. Today, we are making purple stuffed paratha and chapati, a simple yet vibrant twist on a classic aloo paratha. I'll be using purple potato to add a natural pop of color, completely free from artificial additives. It's a fun and healthy choice for kids' lunch boxes and a great way to share a wholesome and nutritious meal with your family. Let's get started. For our delicious stuffing, we need the following ingredients. We need 500 grams of purple potato. Boil them until they are soft. Once boiled, peel off the skin and keep them aside. Coriander seeds 1 teaspoon. Jeera seeds 1/4 teaspoon. Jeera powder 1/4 teaspoon. Amchur 1/2 teaspoon. Green chilli 1 whole finely chopped. Ajwain 1/4 teaspoon. Crush it with your hands for better flavor. Garam masala 1/4 teaspoon. Fresh coriander leaves finely chopped. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Onion 2 tablespoons finely chopped. Salt to taste. Now mash the boiled purple potato well using a potato masher and all the ingredients and mix thoroughly until it forms a smooth and well combined paste. This flavorful stuffing will be the base for both our stuffed paratha and chapati. Let's prepare the dough. 1 cup wheat flour, 1 cup grated purple potatoes, salt to taste and water. Mix everything well and knead it into a smooth dough. Flatten a portion of dough, place the prepared stuffing in the center and seal it well. Gently roll it out into a flat bread shape. Heat a pan and place the stuffed paratha on it. Cook one side until you see a slight bubbles forming. Then flip it. Apply ghee on the cooked side and repeat the process until both sides turns golden brown. Now our beautiful purple stuffed paratha is ready to be served. Now let's jump into the making of purple chapati. Using the same purple potato base 1 cup, add 1 cup wheat flour, salt to taste and water as needed. Mix it well to form a soft dough. Cover and let it rest for at least 1 hour. After resting, roll the dough into thin chapatis. Heat a pan, place the chapati on it and cook on medium flame. Once you see small bubbles, flip it. Apply ghee on the cooked side and cook both sides evenly until you get a soft, nicely puffed chapatis. And there you have it, our stunning, naturally colored purple chapatis. This healthy, vibrant recipe is a perfect way to surprise your loved ones on Valentine's Day or add excitement to a child's lunchbox. I hope you will give this a try and enjoy the wonderful flavors. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more unique and colorful recipes. Happy cooking and happy Valentine's Day.